Hello everyone! Welcome back to another math tutorial. In today's video, it's about a conical shape and also a cylindrical shape. A cone was formed by rolling a thin sheet of metal in the form of a sector of a circle, 75 cm in diameter and a central angle of 30 degrees. Find the radius of the cone in millimeter. Now, of course, a cone was formed by rolling a thin sheet. For example, if this is a thin sheet and it is formed into a conical shape, it's become like a sector of a circle. Looking at the front side, it's become like the sector of a circle. Now, drawing the rough sketch, we'll make the rough sketch of a sector of a circle. If this is this is the arc length, for example, this is the theta, the angle, and this is the radius. Now, what is given here is the diameter of a circle. Now, the diameter of a sector of a circle, diameter is equal to twice the radius. In a circle, this is the diameter, and on the center half of it, it will become the radius. So, diameter is equal to twice the r, and what is given here is the diameter. So, 75 is equal to twice the r. Therefore, we can get the value of r to be 75 divided by 2, which is equal to 37.5. Now, we have already the radius and we have the theta, so we can solve the arc length by using the formula of the arc length, which is equal to theta over 360 times the circumference. This is the formula for the arc length. Now, the length of the arc. This is, we call it arc length. So, substituting that the value of theta, which is equal to 30 degrees over 360 multiplied by 2 pi times the radius we solve, which is equal to 37.5. Arc length, therefore, is equal to 6.25 pi centimeter. This is the arc length. Now, what is required here is the radius of the cone. Now, if we have to draw the cone, this is the, of course, this is the r. Now, as I've said, see, this one, the thin sheet is like this. Now, of course, the arc length, when you roll it into a sheet of a conical shape, so the arc length will become the circumference of the circle. So, therefore, C, because the circumference, the formula of the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now, here, because what is required is the radius of the cone. This is the radius of the cone. So, because the arc length here, when you roll it into a conical shape, it will become the same. As I've said earlier, this one, this length, when you form it into a conical shape, it will become, the length of this one is equal to this, the arc length. So, therefore, the circumference, which is equal to, we can substitute 6.25 is equal to 2 pi times r. Therefore, radius of a cone is equal to 3.125 centimeter. Now, what is required is it is in a millimeter. Therefore, we can because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 3.125 multiplied by 10 will become 31.25 millimeter. So this is the radius of the cone. Another question. Determine the base diameter of an open top right circular cylinder if its total surface area is 49.48 square feet and its height is 1.5 times its base diameter. So, if we will write the solution, here what is given here is the total surface area, which is equal to 49.48 square foot, and the height, which is equal to 1.5 times the base diameter. So if you have to make the rough sketch of a open right circular cylinder, this is the height, and this is the diameter, and the height of the cylinder. This is an open cylinder. That means on top it is open and down, of course, it is closed. So here, it's given the total surface area. That means the area of this cylinder is given to be 49.48. Now, what is required here is the base diameter of an open top right circular cylinder. So that means we have to look for D. Required is the diameter. Now, to solve this one, first, you have to know the total. See, the total cylinder, which is equal to the total surface area of this cylinder is equal to the area of the side of the cylinder plus the area of the base, because here on top it is open, so down the area of the base. Therefore, the area of the side, what is the area of the side? If you see the area of the side of the cylinder is equal to the circumference times the height. The circumference times the height. The height and the area of the base is equal to the area of a circle, pi r squared. The base because it is circular, so it is pi r squared. This is the formula of the area of the base, and this one, the area of the side, which is the circumference times the height. Now, substituting these values, area C, area of the cylinder total is 49.48 equals to the area of the side, which is equal to the circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r times the height which is equal to 1.5 d, which is given 1.5 diameter, plus the area of the base, which is equal to pi r squared. Pi r squared. Now, because we're looking for the diameter, we'll change this radius to diameter. Therefore, 49.48 is equal to 2 pi times the, what is r, which is equal to diameter over 2 times 1.5d plus pi times diameter, which is radius, which is diameter over 2. Therefore, simplifying all this one, diameter therefore is equal to 3 feet or is equal to 36 inches. Yan ang hinahanap natin. The base diameter of an open circular cylinder.